Full body home workout for beginner. Here's a follow along home workout that takes you to the next level by adding a power up option for each exercise. In just 10 minutes you're going to work your whole body with 8 different exercises. You can do this anywhere, and you don't need equipment. Full body home workout for beginner. It's 1 minute for each exercise. Workout: push-ups, half burpees, backward lunges, planks, tricep push-up, step-ups, side planks, and sit-ups. For each one after 30 seconds, we'll give you an option to power it up with a more challenging version of the same exercise, adding an extra element to create greater effort, so you can keep it simple or power it up to push yourself even harder. We are starting full body home workout for beginner with workout push-up. Workout push-up. We are starting with workout push-up. Bend over workout, on your hands push up and back, and for the powered up version, you're going to raise one leg as you push up. Workout push up. In 10 seconds, you're gonna power up by raising one leg at a time. Three, two, one, power up. Change legs. Burpees plank. Next exercise: half burpees plank position, bringing forward one knee, then the other, and the powered up version: hop forward with legs together. Ready? Half burpees, left and right, keeping up the pace in 10 seconds. Power it up with both legs together. Power up. Keep breathing. Backward lunges. For backward lunges, standard version: step back, one leg at a time, knee to the floor. Power it up version: add a knee raise. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Backward lunges. Steady breathing. In 10 seconds, you're going to add a front knee raise. 3, 2, 1, power it up. 10 seconds to go and rest. Plank. The next exercise is a plank. Hold your body as straight as possible and to power it up, twist knee through to the opposite side. This is tough. Ready? Hold in the plank. Keep your whole body in a straight line. In 10, you're going to power it up with knees through to opposite side. Ready? 3, 2, 1, power it up. Keep going. 10 more seconds, and you're gonna rest. 3, 2, 1, rest. Tricep push-up. Halfway through, you're doing great. Next, tricep push-up on an incline. You can use a chair, but make sure it's secure or the bottom step of the stairs also does the job. Go down keeping your elbows by your sides, and to power it up, you're gonna step back and turn it into a skull crusher. Ready? Incline tricep push-up. 30 seconds in 10 seconds. Take your feet back for skull crushers. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, power it up to keep that body straight in 10 seconds. You're going to rest. 3, 2, 1, rest. Step ups. The basic exercises. Step ups still on the raised surface, whether it's a chair or a box. Make sure it's strong and stable. The powered up version. Jumping. 3, 2, 1, go. Step ups. Keep up the pace in 10 seconds. You're going to change to jumps. Ready? 3, 2, 1, power it up. Again, if the surface isn't right, stick to step ups. Push. Through for the last 10 seconds. In rest. Side plank. Next exercise. Back to the core with the side plank, leaning on one elbow, and to power it up, add the trunk rotation, elbow down to your forearm, to hold that side plank, hand in the air. Next time you do this routine, remember to lean on the other side, and you're going to add a trunk rotation in 10, 3, 21, power up, keep the form body completely straight. Rest. In 10, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Abs lay down. Finally, it's abs lay down. For a crunch, feet on the floor. For the power it up version, raise your legs. Okay, last round. Breathe out as you go up, in as you go down. In 10 seconds, power it up by raising your legs. So let's do this. 3, 2, 1, power up. Congratulations, that's your whole body worked, calories burned, cardiovascular system supercharged. If you appreciate this workout, we have a whole bunch of follow-along workouts with and without equipment. And so tell us in the comments how you felt. Our full body home workout for beginner plan